Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so in this question we're told that the Kp constant for H2S decomposition is equal to 0.819. The decomposition reaction is the following. H2S is going to decompose and be in equilibrium with H2 gas plus sulfur as a gas. We're told as well that initially we have 0.225 atmospheres of H2S. So we're told what will be the total pressure in the container when we reach equilibrium. So the way to solve this problem is using an ice table. Initially we have that amount in pressure of H2S. Remember that pressure and amount of substance are two quantities that are proportional to each other. That is why we can use them directly for equilibrium constants and for ice tables. So if this substance is going to decompose, the amount of change that it's going to experience is going to be minus x atmospheres, creating plus x and plus x. So that means that at equilibrium, what we're going to get is 0.225 minus x, and x. If we write down the value for Kp, Kp is going to be pressure of H2 times pressure of S divided by the pressure of H2S. This becomes x squared divided by 0.225 minus x. And this value is given to us and is 0.819. So what we need to do is to solve for this quadratic expression. What this becomes is 0.819 times 0.225 minus x is equal to x squared. And solving for this quadratic expression, we can find two different values. X1 equal to minus 1.00277, and X2 that is going to be equal to 0.183767. So let's verify which one makes sense. Of course, the negative one, it's not going to make sense for us. So the pressure at equilibrium is going to be depending on X2. So first of all, pressure of H2S, we said that it was going to be equal to the initial minus x, so 0.225 minus x gives 0.04100, this number of atmospheres. Next up, the pressure of H2 is equal to x, and thus is equal to 0.183767. And finally, the pressure of sulfur gas, same thing, is equal to x, and thus is equal to 0.183767. So the total pressure that we're going to have in our container is the sum of all of these pressures, H2S plus pressure of H2 plus pressure of sulfur, and gives us 0.408767 atmospheres. And that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.